Whole grains are a key part of the New American Plate, our model for a cancer-protective diet. These tiny grains are amazing packages filled with fiber, vitamins, minerals, and other cancer-protective nutrients. And foods that contain fiber like whole grains help lower risk for colorectal cancer. So what is a whole grain? Well, a whole grain is the whole thing. Refined grains like white flour and white rice don't contain the fiber-rich bran and the nutrient-packed germ. There's a whole world of great tasting whole grains out there, and they're easy to incorporate into your meals. Instead of white rice, try something like whole wheat couscous or quick cooking brown rice or quinoa. When you're shopping, here's what you can look for to know that you're finding a whole grain. Look for the whole grain stamp that are on some food labels. You can also look at the ingredient list. One of the first ingredients should be a whole grain like whole wheat flour or barley or oatmeal. To explore all the delicious and colorful whole grains and how to use them, check out AICR's Healthy Recipes.